Hello sir, good day. I'm Adonis Rinconanan, but you can call me Andy, and 20 years old of age, and I live in Concepcion, San Simon, Pampanga.
Good day, I'm Rosel, 19, from Makinabang, Baliwag, Bulacan.
Hey sir, my name is John Andrew David. You call me Andrew. I'm 20 years old from Kainit, San Rafael, Bulacan.
I'm Lorenzo Guzman, 19 years old. I'm from Pinapinas, Rafael.
Good day, sir. I'm just James Steri, but you can call me JJ. I'm from Poblacion, Baliwag, Bulacan, and 30 years old.
Hello sir, good day. I'm Aaron Mark de la Cruz from Kainit, San Rafael, Bulacan. I'm 19 years old of age.
Hello sir, I'm Gabriel Luis from Sabambayan, Bulacan, and I'm 18 years old. 18 ka pa lang.
Hello sir, I'm Edward Vidagal, 18 years old, from Paitan, Baliwag, Bulacan.